Hello everyone! Thanks for checking out our Popmoney tutorial to learn how easy it can be to send and receive money with this personal payment service. Before we get started, what is Popmoney? Well, Popmoney is just that, a personal payment service offered by leading financial institutions, including your PCMCU, that eliminates the hassle of checks and cash. Now you can send money by email, text message, or account information. It's that easy. So how might you use Popmoney? Well, you may use Popmoney to send money to your child at college, or send a gift to family and friends, reimburse friends for a fun outing you just had, pay your babysitter or your lawn care service, pay rent to your landlord or your roommates, and so much more. And lastly, does Popmoney cost me anything? Yes, Popmoney does charge a low transaction fee of 95 cents per transaction, but the convenience of the service is well worth it. On that note, let's jump into some examples of using Popmoney. First, you will want to log into Virtual Branch Online Banking and click on the Bill Pay tab along the top. If you have never accessed this tab before, you will have a few more screens prompting you to accept the terms and conditions, as well as the privacy policy of Bill Pay. Then, your homepage of Bill Pay will open, and you will see more tabs along the top where you can then locate Popmoney. You will need to activate your Popmoney account by entering your email address, your mobile number, and check the box saying you've read and accept the Popmoney terms of service and acknowledge the privacy policy. Then click Activate. The first thing you will have to do is add a recipient and choose the way you would like to pay them. The three options of payment, as previously mentioned, are by email address, mobile number, or account information. The first example we will do will be by email address. Enter the person's first and last name. Then the email or mobile selection should be pre-populated for you. Make sure that it is selected and then enter the recipient's email address. After that, enter the amount you want to pay them. If you wanted to make this a recurring payment, this is also where you would set this option up. If not, enter the date you would like to pay them. In this case, we will pay them today, and then the account you would like to pay them from. Your PCM Credit Union account should also be pre-populated. There is also an option to add an email message if you wanted to let this person know what the money was for. For example, this person owes a friend money for lunch at Olive Garden, so she put that in the email message. After you have entered all the criteria, scroll down and click Continue, where you will then be brought to the Verify Payment screen. Here, it will tell you when the money will be in the person's account if he or she accepts your payment by a certain time. It also tells you the detailed payment information, delivery details, and summarizes the transaction, including any messages you have added and the total amount. If all looks correct, hit Send Payment. When doing a Popmoney transaction to someone's mobile number, all the same information applies, except you put their phone number in instead of their email address. Still put in the amount you want to send them, when to send it, and from which account, as in the previous example. Then you can still add a message, but it gives you less characters because they are going to be receiving a text. Here is a sample Popmoney text notification of what your recipient will receive. The message will tell the recipient who is sending the money, the amount being sent, a short personal message, and instructions of how to receive the money. For example, Jay Smith is sending $150 and says, "Thanks for the 4 tickets." This person can go to popmoney.com to accept it. I will get into more of how they can accept the funds in just a bit. For text options, you can also add notes. So going back to our Olive Garden example, this person is going to select Meals for their note option. Again, after all looks correct, click Continue. Make sure everything still looks correct on the Verify Payment screen, and then click Send Payment. You can always cancel the payment or go back and edit it if you need to. The last option is paying someone by their account information. With this option, you will need to select their account type that you want to put the funds in, so checking, savings, etc. You will also need their routing number and account number. Once you have entered that information, complete the rest of Popmoney requirements as in the previous examples, and click Continue when you are all set. Verify the payment information, and then send the payment. After using any of these Popmoney options, you will be notified when the transaction is complete. When receiving money through this service, you will receive an email or a text message. If your financial institution offers Popmoney, you can log into your account and direct the funds there. If your financial institution does not offer Popmoney, You can provide your account information at popmoney.com and your money will be sent to that account. If you do not provide your account information, the payment will be automatically returned to the sender's account. Money sent directly to an account will be automatically deposited, and no action is required by the recipient. Now, a few other things you can do in Popmoney are import contacts from address books such as Gmail, delete existing contacts if there is someone you no longer want to send funds to, check and verify your user preferences to make sure your information is up to date in case people want to send you money through Popmoney, view your recent activity, and set recurring payments, say maybe for rent. For more information, view the Popmoney Help section on the right side of your screen. There is more clarification on what is Popmoney, how does it work, what can I use Popmoney for, what are the different ways I can send money to someone, and lots of frequently asked questions which are a huge help. Thanks for watching and see you next time!